Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about multiple linear regression and how to write a code for it. So, multiple linear regression is nothing but an extension of simple linear regression. What we do in simple linear regression is that we are given only one independent variable and we predict one dependent output. Basically, it helps us predict one thing using another. So, if you want to know more about simple linear regression, I have already uploaded a video about it and I will also share the link for it in the description box also. But coming back to what is multiple linear regression, it's a tool that helps us making decisions by considering more than one factor simultaneously. We use multiple independent variables to predict one single dependent outcome. Let us understand it by simple examples. So, first example is if we want to predict how far a car can travel, we will consider many factors. For example, we can consider how much time the car has taken and also the car's speed. So here, dependent variable becomes the distance traveled, but independent variables are more than one. That is the time taken by the car and the car's speed. So let us consider one more example. Imagine you are running a startup and you want to predict your company's profit based on various factors. For example, you can consider factors like R&D spending, marketing spending, and location. So here are more than one independent variables. So what are we doing in multiple linear regression is that we use more than one piece of information to make a prediction. So let's see how to write the code for it. So first, we will import the necessary Python libraries. So caps import numpy as np, import matplot library as plt, and import pandas as pd. Numerical for numpy for numerical operations, matplotlib for plotting, and pandas for data manipulation. Now we will import the data set. We have data set for 50 startups. So let's upload the data set here. Okay, we will now copy the path here. Now we will declare the variables dataset.ilog values. X here is the independent variable and Y is dependent. Now we will see our data set, and here we will notice that the location column is categorical. So here we will use one hot encoding to convert it into numerical values. So we will make it to numericals value, making it easy to work with our model. So we will use skykit module sklearn.compose, and we will import column transformer. sklearn.preprocessing import one hot encoder. We'll declare the variable for it, column transformer is equal to encoder, comma, one hot encoding and remainder is equals to pass through. Declare an array and store it in variable x dot fit transformer x. Now we will split the data. We will divide the data into training and test sets. Model selection, import train underscore test underscore split x train, comma x test, comma y train, comma y test is equals to train underscore test underscore split x variable, y test size we will take 0.2 and random stage is equals to 0. Perfect. Now we will create a linear regression model and train it on our training data. So we will import the model, linear model, import linear regression, initialize a variable for it, and fit the model on the training data. So now we will make predictions. Ypred is equals to regressor dot predict and x test पे हम टेस्ट करेंगे. Oh. And now finally we will print the results. np.set print options. We will print the result near to precision to print np.concatenate y print dot reshape len by print comma 1 y test dot reshape y test, and there you have it. Today we started with importing our data set, and then we handled the categorical data. Then we split our data set and trained a linear regression model, and finally we made predictions. So I hope this video has been informative and helped you understand how to implement multiple linear regression. As always, like, share, and subscribe. Till then, stay curious and keep learning.